What's up guys? John Howell here from tradinginvesting4u.com, and let me just get in there. Just trying to get into my car. I wanted to quickly talk to you guys about something I heard on the something I recently heard on the look at that pulsar, eh? Or maybe you can't even see because the sun's reflecting off the screen there. I wanted to quickly talk to you guys about something that happened in the news just recently. You know, we all know that the mining industry is actually slowing down a lot, heaps. But yeah, no, you know, BHP. I think BHP pulled out of some mines just recently, and then recently we saw Rio Tinto, right? Rio Tinto just had a profit downgrade. I think by as much as like 75%, I think it was that their profit downgrade was. That their profit was down by 75% or something along those lines, but it's pretty big. It just shows you guys that right now, as you know, the thing that's been keeping Australia up, been booming for so many years, has actually been the mining industry, and that's clearly showing signs of slowing down in Australia, right? If we have a look at it, just not from a profits perspective, but stand back and look at that perspective, as in you see BHP pulling out of different mines right now. If BHP was booming, what would they be doing? They would be going into more mines, right? So that's slowing down right now. And now Rio Tinto, one of the biggest companies in Australia, especially mining industry anyway, and I think they're bigger than BHP, are they? I'm not sure, but they're pretty close to it. Their profit is dramatically down. So when it comes to the mining industry, and when it comes to the overall economy booming, I believe there's that's a sign that things are likely to slow down. Things are not likely going to be the same in the last 10 years. The next 10 years is not likely going to be the last 10 years because one of the biggest things that's been keeping us up. Yes, China's been keeping us up, and China has been one of the biggest things there. But if you look at China as well, right? China is one of those companies, or China's one of those countries that's now slowing down in Australia as well, right? So we're looking at the mining industry slowing down. We're looking at China actually slowing down as well too, from buying our stuff basically. And they have been the two biggest reasons why we've seen the growth we have in Australia, is because of that, the mining and China. So I do see that the next 10 years is not going to be like the last 10 years, and we need to make sure that we're doing the right things for our future. And I don't see, I'm not saying doom and gloom, but I don't see growth like we have in the last 10 years because of that. So I just wanted to share that with you as something that I've noticed with this all these things. Something else I wanted to say. What was it? So we had the mining, we had China. So that's basically what it is. That's all I wanted to talk to you guys about, was basically that we just need to keep an eye out for, we just need to make sure that we understand that that's what's happening. And the other thing I'll talk about is interest rates. If our economy was doing so well in Australia, why the hell are they dropping interest rates for? If you guys don't know, if you're new to the markets or new to the understanding about the economy, when they drop interest rates, it simply means they're worried about the future. If they raise interest rates, it means they're comfortable about the future. Just simple as that. Don't look at it as, they dropped the rates because they're trying to help people. No, it doesn't work like that. If the RBA, the Reserve Bank of Australia, if they're actually dropping rates, it just simply means that they're worried about the future, and they're trying to stabilize it before things get out of hand. Okay, so you look at those three things. Look at the mining industry, look at China not buying anymore, or it's really slowing down on what they're doing with Australia, and also if you look at the interest rates, those three things are actually showing that there's likely to be a lot of slowdown in the next 12 months, possibly even the next couple of years in Australia. So that's my thoughts, guys. What do you guys think about what I've just said there? And you know, I may be wrong, I may be right, I may be just neutral, but that's what I believe. Likely to slow down, and it's just looking at the facts from afar. Mining industry slowing down, China slowing down, and interest rates being cut as well. So let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon. John Howell here from tradinginvestingforyou.com. Just heading back home from the gym, and I had that on my mind, so I wanted to share that with you. See you guys.